Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes. Today I am solving GRE examinations, that means graduate record examination, recent past paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session or previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of them, please don't hesitate, please call and WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources themselves reply to your query. So already all you know that Dr. Source's class is the best coaching institution for preparing GRE examination. So if you want to take admission in Dr. Source's classes, please don't hesitate and don't waste time. This time is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Source. So let's start with question number 10. What will we just say? Question number 10 is x and y. This statement will also same for all questions. Okay, so if x and y are integers and x to the power minus 3 and y to the power into y to the power minus 3 equals to 72 to the power minus 1, so what will be the value of x plus y? How can I solve x to the power minus 3 into y to the power minus 2 means 72 to the power minus 1? So x to the power minus 3, that means 1 by x cube into y to the power minus 2 minus 1 by y square, so and 1 by 72. That means if you want to take cross multiply, so what will be the value? X cube into y square is equals to 72. Okay, if you want to take 72 can factorize, so what will be the value here? The value is 3 into 3 into 222. So 72 can be written as 2 cube into 3 square. Okay, so if you want to take compare, x cube means 2 cube, that means the value of x will be 2, and if you want to take compare y square into 3 square, x cube mean 2 cube and y square equals to 3 square. So what will be the value of y? The value of y will be 3. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So what will be the value of x plus y? The value of x plus y will be 2 plus 3, that means 5. 5 is the correct answer here. In box we can replace 5. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family and stay tuned and connected with us to get notification of all our video. Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.